Hello everyone, welcome to our video, and today we would be presenting a very wonderful project which is called EcoSight. It is basically a step towards even more sustainable environmental development, and it has multiple features like a carbon footprint calculator, a satellite image classification system, and air quality index analysis. And of course, all of them have multiple uses, like, for example, the carbon footprint calculator can be used to calculate the overall carbon emissions per annum. The satellite image classifier can be used to get the situation of your locality or any particular area. It is basically going to give you probabilities on what the image can actually be. Finally, here's the air quality index. This is basically an analysis of a dataset from Kaggle. All of the links for the data sources will be provided in the description. You can go ahead and check them out. Now, this is our wonderful team. I'm Shibam Roy, and I'm working as the data scientist and backend engineer for this project. This is Ankush Roy, and he's working as the front-end developer for this project. And he is Swadhin Maharana, and he's working as the data scientist for the project as well. Now, let's move to the data sources, without which our project may not have been possible. We have took data from multiple sources like TVSoft, Kaggle, Statistica, Our World in Data, and another Kaggle dataset. Now, down and wait. You can come here and check all of these things out. They're really interesting, and we are very grateful to GeeksForGeeks for organizing this wonderful hackathon for which we are creating this project. Now, let's move to the actual showcase of our project. Here's the carbon footprint calculator. Here we have asked a few questions. You can just input your own data. I'll be using some dummy data for now. Okay, done. Now let's click on the submit button. And my score is 3.46 tons. And okay, this is not considered a good score, but anyway, it was a dummy data, so it doesn't matter. You can try with your own actual data. In fact, we also have a few recommendations to decrease our emissions. Like here, I am having very high electricity bills, which is about 92% of my overall emissions, and it's also higher than the country's average, which is a bad news, I guess. And now let's move to satellite image classification system. Here you can optionally input your name and email address. If you want to be anonymous, you can just skip these. Here I will be using an actual satellite image from the dataset, from the test section actually, and let's click on submit. And as you can see, there are all the probabilities of what it can be. Like, is it clear, or is it cultivation, what is the probability of deforestation here, etc, etc. Let's move to the air quality index. It's taking a bit to load. Let's just wait for a second or two. Come on. Now we will directly move into the insights, and here the first one says that in 2020 there was a sudden decrease in air pollution, and a common reason to that can be coronavirus. However, of course, there can also be other reasons as well. The second says a phenomenon about wet deposition, due to which in the month of August there is comparatively less air pollution. And I will not be reading the other insights right now, of course. So let's move to the next section, which is of visualizations. And here we have wonderful visualizations to understand each and everything, like per month, per day, per month, and etc, etc. Let's start here. You can see you can enlarge them and even download the images. Now, this is the procedure section. You can read it all and understand how we proceeded with the analysis, how we did each and every steps. And yeah, that's it. Now, let's go to our home page. Let's go. Allowing it. Here we will just scroll down. You can click on this link to get to our GitHub repository. I will also be adding the links in the description. Once again, you can just go and check them out. And these are the models, the web and backend, front end. We have listed everything over here. You can check all of the code. Like here's the index and all. You can just check them out. Get back here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.